Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram message problem for 3 days. Okay, so first of all guys, the important thing to do is you go to Play Store and search on Instagram. So what we're gonna do here is we want to make sure that Instagram is up to date. If there's a button saying update, then update your Instagram account, and that's gonna be fixing the error or the error message in Instagram. But there are also a thing that you need to do. You go to your profile, go to the three lines on the upper right corner, you go to settings, you go to help because you want to ask for help for this one, and then go to report a problem. Okay, all right, so include and continue. So you just need to type there that hello, please help me fix the problem message error or problem 3 days in Instagram. Alright, and then all you need to do is to send that one. Once you click send, it will automatically be sent to the tech support or customer service report team, and basically they will gonna reply to you within 24 to 48 hours to resolve your concern. So that's gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps.